We are Adment SDN BHD and we are a private limited company. There are various differences between partnership and a company. The structure or definition for partnership are two or more persons carrying on business with view of profit, while company is a separate legal entity. Number for partnership is 2 until 20% except for professional firm, but company has no limit except for private company. For the registration, partnership is according to Registration of Business Act 1956, while company registration is required by Company Act 2016. Since our company is a private limited company, we use the Company Act 2016, where the company essential requirements are according to Division 1, Section 9, and restrictions on the company's name choice are from Division 4, Section 25 and 26 of the same Act.
If there are some requirements are incomplete for incorporation's registration, our company is not yet confirmed as incorporation. In Companies Act 2016, Section 13, Sentence 1 are related to this issue. Next, every person whose name is stated in our company's application of incorporation must enter as member in registration of members. In Companies Act 2016, Section 18, Sentence 1 are related to this issue. Other than that, notice of our company are important because it is an evidence of company had registered under Act. In Companies Act 2016, Section 19 are related to this issue.
Hi everyone, so today I would like to present about the characteristic of our company. So our company is a separate legal personality company which has been established by having a separate legal personality of its own apart from the person who is compromising it. So Adment SDN BHD has its own right and powers which may be enforced and exercised. So if our company breaches any of its contract or incurs any liabilities, our company can be sued. But the members of board director cannot be sued for any liabilities of Adment SDN BHD. Our company also has a perpetual successions, which means that our company is a continuing entity regardless of the changes in its membership, even in the conditions that all its shareholders and directors were dead. So that's all for me. So I will pass this the other part to my friend.
D. Explain in brief nature of company constitution. What is the effect of the company's transaction which is not adhering to the constitution? Can it be amended? Can a company choose for not having a constitution? So, company constitution is a legal document which set of the object and powers of a company and also governs in the internal affairs and management of the company. It previously known as the Article and Memorandum of Association. There are effects of the company's transaction which is not adhering to the constitution. It would then apply to the company the entire provision of the CA 2016 and would act as a default constitution. That means that directors and shareholders' rights, powers, duties, and obligations would be governed by the 2016 CA. It has 577 pages and 620 sections that may be difficult to read the word content. The CA 2016 lays out certain procedures that allow the company to amend the constitution. Section 36(1) of the CA 2016 provides that an amendment to the constitution is made by passing a special resolution requiring the shareholders who are entitled to vote to a majority vote of 75%, but alteration of the constitution also be subject to such condition and can only be done if it is a bona fide for the benefit of the company as a whole, as provided for in the case of West Africa's Allen v. Gold Reef. In practical terms, the specific provision can be tailored into the constitution. It is depending on the specific situation. Example of requirement that would be necessary if a business in any of the following: if you are a business owner, a joint business owner together with other shareholder or partners, part of a family business, a director, an investor in the company, an employee who has received employee share option.
Inside our company constitution, we include the background of our company, which is the name of our company, our company type, liability of our company, share of our company, and the regulations. Also, it have share part and the lien part and the general meeting, which it can be annual general meeting and also an extraordinary general meeting. And inside also have the proceeding at general meetings, resolutions, disqualification of the director, and also the indemnity.
Conflict is something difficult to measure, detect, or determine when it arises. There is no conflict rule in Adment SDN BHD has been breached, but it is important for our director to adopt a conflict policy because with such policy, director will agreeable to be more concise and enable the board of directors to be more effective in resolving conflict. As mentioned in Companies Act 2014, it proves that director can avoid conflict in the company unless they has been released from the duties. As for our company, director has doing their duties under common law where director make business judgment only for a proper purpose and not involving personal interest. Two good ethical business practice in Adment SDN BHD, which is build awareness through training and lead employees by example. And for the second one, hiring, promoting, giving rewards, and foster a speak-up culture among employees.
Next is the duty of director and company secretary. The duty of director is to manage the company business, make the strategic and operational decisions of the company, responsible for ensuring that the company meets its statutory obligation. They participate in board meeting to enable the board to reach these decisions and make sure that the company obligations are full. They have personally liable for losses incurred by a business which are proven to be the result of the board decision or failure act properly. This is the duty of company secretary. They ensure company details are up to date, arranging meetings of the director and the shareholder. They establishing and maintaining the company register office as the address for any formal communication. They ensuring the security of the company legal document, including, for example, the certificate of incorporation and memorandum and articles of association. Lastly, they advising directors on their duties and ensuring that they comply with corporate regulations and the articles of associations of the company. Next is the functions of other officers of company. The first one is financial department. Financial department cover a wide range from basic bookkeeping to provide information to assist managers in making strategic decisions. They also manage the organization cash flow and ensuring there are enough funds available to meet the day-to-day payments. They are responsible for advising and sourcing longer-term financing. They work with managers to prepare the company budget and forecast and give feedback to the financial standing of the company. Lastly, they manage the company's tax issue and existing asset. Integration department. They manage project to ensure timely productions of quality product as per requirements. They also consult with clients to understand and determine software requirement, test software functionality and design concept. They analyze on large data and develop high-level summary. They also collect, analyze, and suggest short-term and long-term budgetary activities. They engage in working group to streamline cost, determine risks and gaps, and offer strategic support. And lastly, they evaluate and analyze high-profile projects. Company existing brand and introduce new product to the market. They're analyzing budget, preparing annual budget plan, scheduling expenditure, and ensuring that the sales team meets their quotas and goals. They do research and develop marketing opportunity and plan, understanding consumer requirement, identifying market trends, and suggesting system improvement to achieve the company marketing goals. Last one, they're maintaining relationship with important clients by making regular visit, understanding their needs, and anticipating new marketing opportunity.